This is Digit Trader from NexTrader. It reads the last digit of every single Deriv tick, finds the pattern, and tells you exactly what to trade. Every feature, start to finish. Let's get into it. Okay, here's the whole idea. Every tick on a volatility index ends in a digit. 0 through 9. Over, under, even, odd, match, differ. That one digit is the entire game. Digit Trader analyzes hundreds of them in real time, so you're reading data instead of guessing. Top of the screen you get 3 controls. Market, pick the volatility index you want. Sample size, how many recent digits the engine chews on. 50 reacts the fastest, 500 is the smoothest, and 200 is the sweet spot. Then that play button on the right fires up AI Auto Trade. We'll come back to it. Now the big one, Simple versus Pro. Simple is the clean classic layout. Recommendation, digits, trade panel, done. Tap Pro and the full institutional dashboard loads in. 12 advanced analytics cards, all live, and your choice gets remembered in your browser. Digit distribution chart. This is every digit 0 to 9 and how often it actually landed inside your sample. Green is running hot, red is ice cold. When a digit is sitting way below 10%, that's your differ and under setups lighting up. AI Advanced Pattern Analysis. This heat map grids every 2-digit combo from 00 all the way to 99. The highlighted cells are the patterns that actually carry predictive value. The engine has seen those last 2 digits before and it knows what tends to come next. Right next to it, current streaks and top patterns. Even odd, 2 in a row odd. High low, 1 high. Once a streak stretches to 4 or more, the chance of it snapping on the very next tick goes up. And the engine flags it in red for you. Smart Digit Analysis. 2 decision meters. Even versus odd up top. 52, 48. Over under underneath, 0 to 4 against 5 to 9. The bar shows you which way it's leaning, and each meter carries its own confidence level plus a signal tag. If it says neutral, that's your cue to sit this one out. Recent digit trend plots the actual sequence, so you can see the momentum with your own eyes, with last, average, and mode called out on the side. And below it, the live digit strip. The freshest tick drops in on the left every single second. And here's the payoff. The AI Recommendation tab. One line, 0 clutter. Trade under 6, 65% confidence with the reasoning right underneath, the win rate, and the edge over baseline. One tap on that button and your contract is live. Stake controls sit right above the button. Type any amount you want or hit the quick keys. Double it, 5x it, halve it, or reset straight back to your base stake. Perfect for running a manual martingale without fat, fingering a number mid-trade. Want to drive it yourself? Manual trading. Set trade, type to over-under. Pick your target digit, let's say 2, and you get exactly 2 buttons. Over 2, under 2, green and red. That's simple. Flip the trade type to even odd, and those buttons become even and odd. Pick match differ, and you get matches and differs against your target digit. 3 whole contract families, 1 panel. Every trade you place lands straight in trade history. Time, symbol, contract type, your target, the exit digit that actually showed up, your stake, and profit or loss color-coded. Open contracts update themselves live as they settle. Alright, let's go pro. Market Edge scans every volatility index at the same time and ranks them by strength. Click any chip and it switches you straight into the strongest market. Right below, your AI recommendation with a live signal strength meter. Trade Edge score is the engine's overall conviction, 0 to 100. It's broken down into trend strength, pattern strength, transition edge, momentum, cycle strength, and market quality. When those bars go green together, the components agree. And digit patterns tracks repeats, mirrors, sequences, waves, and ping pong. Hot and cold digits, expected frequency versus what actually happened, the deviation, and a z-score for each digit. Tagged hot means it's over-appearing. Cold means it's under-appearing and statistically due. Next to it, next digit predictor, a full transition matrix. Given the digit that just landed, here's what historically comes after it. Digit momentum shows you which digits are rising or falling in frequency, and how fast. Overbought oversold takes RSI, the classic trading indicator, and applies it per digit. Overbought digits are stretched thin. Oversold ones are coiled up. Similar setups is the one that'll change how you trade. It takes your current digit sequence, hunts back through the history for matches, and shows you the real win rate the last time this exact shape appeared. And trend by time frame checks the last 10, 30, 50, 100, 500 and 1,000 ticks. When every time frame agrees, that's a genuine signal. And if you ever want to know why, hit View Full Explanation. The AI opens up its entire reasoning. The recommended trade, the win rate, the edge, the top next digits it's expecting, which signals agreed, and the complete edge score breakdown. No black box, nothing hidden. Okay, let's actually run a session start to finish. Read the recommendation. Check the confidence is high enough for you. Set your stake. Fire, the contract opens, the next tick lands, and it settles straight into your history. Win or lose, right there in front of you. Then you read the next one. That's the whole loop. Analyze, confirm, trade, review, over and over. Last one, and it's a big one. AI auto trade. Hit that play button and set your rules. Stake amount, target profit, stop loss, a max stake cap for the martingale, and a minimum AI confidence. The bot only pulls the trigger when the AI clears your threshold, and it shuts itself down the second you hit target profit or stop loss. So that's Digit Trader end to end. Start on simple, graduate to pro, and always check that confidence number before you click. And look, trading Deriv products carries real risk. Never stake money you can't afford to lose. Links in the description. Go build your edge.